Alright, travels, today we're taking a look at this here, which is the Benks, Benks power bank. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that magnetically attaches to the back of your iPhone. But if you don't have an iPhone, it also does charge or provide charge through the USB-A type and a USB-C type output here. If you press this button, it will show you how many lights left of battery it has. Another interesting feature it has built in is this kickstand here to allow you to watch movies on your phone whilst charging it. So I have the iPhone mini here and it just magnetically attaches to the back there. Now it's a reasonably strong connection, and if you do shake it enough it will fall off like that. But when it is connected, you can use the stand to charge upright like this, and it also continues to charge in landscape mode like this. So you can actually watch movies on a table quite comfortably with this charger. Now with the iPhone mini, you can see that it actually does come off the end a little bit here, but that is just the nature of the size of the iPhone mini. On a regular iPhone, it would be, a normal size attachment. So a couple of things to mention about this. It has a nice soft back, and it doesn't get as warm as some other magnetic chargers I've tried. It will charge an iPhone 14 about 2 times, and you can charge 3 devices at the same time. So you can charge your phone, and then both outputs can be used simultaneously. And it does have a very nice, smooth, matte material here, which gives it a nice grip feel. And when it's attached to the phone, you can use it without it feeling too warm, and it's very comfortable as well. Now the other thing you'll notice is that it charges immediately when it magnetically attaches, which is great because some of these power banks, you have to press a button, you have to connect and then press the button for it to charge. But this one automatically detects that, which is a really good feature. Now I do tend to carry this one with me. It fits very nicely in some of my Bellroy bags, like you can see here. It just fits right down inside. It's roughly the dimensions of a credit card. Obviously it's much thicker, but that does mean that it's roughly the size of a wallet. So the weight as well is not too heavy. I will put it up on the screen here, but I believe it's 180 or so. So it's not the heavy, it's actually quite lightweight and quite small for being a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. So that's pretty much all. That is my review of the Benks 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. They also do come in black, so do go ahead and click the links in the description for coupon codes and to check the latest price. But definitely go ahead and check it out. It's my current favorite wireless, and actually just my favorite power bank in general, because even if you don't use the wireless part, it actually is still quite competitive in terms of its size and weight. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.